Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's e-learning platform, Class 7th, Subject English. Today we are going to learn about the English grammar topic, continuous tenses. There are three continuous tenses. First one, present continuous tense. Second, past continuous tense. Third, future continuous tense. Let's see about the first one, present continuous tense. Form is or am or are plus present participle means subject plus is or am or are plus verb 1 ing plus object. Uses of present continuous tense to indicate an action that is still going on. For examples, the gardener is watering the plants. I am studying for my exam. Maya is drying her hair. To express an action that is taking place but is not going on at the time of speaking. For example, I am learning to drive. I am planning to see the doctor. My father is designing the house. We plan to move next year. Present continuous tense is also used for another way, to show an action that is expected to take place. For example, the dean is visiting our college tomorrow. So students, you can understand that present continuous tense is used to indicate an action that is still going on, and to express an action that is taking place but is not going on at the time of speaking, and to show an action that is expected to take place. Now see the second one, past continuous tense. Form is was or were plus verb plus ing. Means subject plus was or plus verb plus ing plus object. Uses of past continuous tense to express an action going on some time in the past. For example, I was working all day yesterday. Mary was baking cakes all morning. Past continuous tense also uses to express an action that was a persistent habit in the past. For example, she was always telling stories to her grandchildren. It is also used to form a clause. For example, I was sleeping when the doorbell rang. She was packing her bags when her phone rang. Note how the past continuous tense is used in these sentences. It was getting late. They were playing cricket. When I met him, he was watching TV. While he was speaking to me, he saw you. The traffic policeman was signaling to the speeding truck. Now let's see about the last one, future continuous tense. Form is shall or will plus be plus present participle, means ing form of the verb. Let's see the uses of future continuous tense. To describe an action in progress in the future. For example, this time tomorrow I shall be writing my exam. What will you be doing tomorrow? To state arrangement and plans. For example, we will be spending the summer vacation in Darjeeling. The engineers will be starting the work on Central Square. For polite questions, for example, when will you be finishing this work? When will be meeting you again? Note how the future continuous tense is used in these sentences. Will you be coming to the library tomorrow? I will be taking the dog for a walk. My secretary will be attending the meeting. I will be taking 1 week's leave. My boss will be touring the city. I hope you could understand the concept for continuous tenses. Do and understand the concept and revise at home. Thank you.